We're going to do Santa Maria. Coming up, still a bit of a walk. At the bottom there were two people that I also saw crossing of the borders between Mexico and Guatemala. But we are a bit faster because they were still preparing shoes and stuff. But apart from them too, we are alone on the track. We think that the people who went there with a tour went up much earlier because they normally get picked up at 5 and they don't have to do all this madness with the buses and everything. They don't have to go to the petrol station, they don't have to wait for the others to come, and they are brought much closer to where the hike actually starts. So they are probably way ahead of us, but I still think it's not all that touristy. There was a bit of a confusion with the paths. Unfortunately, it's not as easy as they say it is.
Did they say something about turning right? We said we're gonna find
Not easy. For a moment we got a bit confused, but now according to Maps.me, we're back on track. Definitely get a Maps.me before that hike. Download the area. Google Maps is absolutely useless for this hike. We merged with the American couple that we saw at the beginning, so we went different routes and we met in the same place, but I think we went somewhere else. But I get going because we need to be on the top before 10, because at 10 apparently it fogs up. There's the volcano. Finally we see it. There was one guy asking, "Are you only two of you?"